What is going on, guys? JDM Junkies here, or I guess you could say junkie, because there's only one of me. Get it? Can you talk for me?
Yeah, you're an idiot.
Okay. Alright, talk real quick.
You're an idiot.
Alright, cool.
You're a fucking idiot.
That's Marc on the phone. He's working on his car right now.
Yep.
Yeah, she be icy. Met her mama and her mama really like me. Yeah.
He said that I fucked up 50 different times. I saw your last video, dickhead.
Yeah, dude, you can't get it right ever.
It's not that I can't get it right. I need a gasket sealer. The flanges were too big. It's stupid. This is what you get for Frankensteining a fucking exhaust.
We're gonna unbox these 3 Corksport boxes that I just got in the mail from UPS right now. We have a 3.5 inch take. I fucked up. 3.5. I'm nervous because you're on the phone. 3.5 inch intake.
I'm so goddamn nervous.
I'm not nervous, but you know what I mean. We have a top mount intercooler from Corksport, and I think we got like a swag bag because I got their 7th gear thing, which gives me discounts to shipping and feature products that I probably most likely will buy from Corksport. Let's just start unboxing. Oh!
I'm laughing at you.
Oh! This isn't the swag bag. This is this was Best Buy stuff. I bought a memory card reader for my desktop. I bought another micro SD card. That's funny, dude. I literally thought that was the swag box. Hey, shut up real quick. Here we got the intercooler, not the intercooler, the 3.5 inch intake. That's what I meant.
That spacer might be a little bit too big.
All right, guys, what do we got? We got useless paper. Ooh, we got bubble wrap, which I can't even pop because I suck. We got instructions. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is I'm a seventh gear member. This is the little swag box. Thanks, Corksport. Sponsor me. Oh my god, bro! They sent me a whole like front windshield banner. I'll do that. I've never really rocked one of those before, so. Oh, bro, I got a baseball cap, got a dad hat, bro. My hair's too puffy. It doesn't even fit. Yeah, my hair's too long. I can't, until I get a haircut, I can't really wear this. Oh, dude, this shirt is sick. Yo, this is gonna be my new, like, working on cars shirt.
We're gonna film the turbo kit.
We got black couplers. We're getting the sleek look, black and silver. That's all we're doing. This shit is fat. This is a huge ass intake, dude. Dude, that's fat, dude. I had no idea that 3.5 was this big. I probably didn't need to go this big on a stock turbo. This is future proof. That's good. We're good. We're doing smart things. Couplers, hose clamps. Nice AEM sticker there. Ooh, alright, this is the MAF housing. This is quality, dude. No wonder it costed 300 and something, like 20 bucks. This is a really full-ass kit, dude. Alright, we got like 2 hours. It shouldn't take me like more than 2 hours, honestly. And now for the intercooler. Yep, I'm going top mount because I don't want to go front mount. I don't want to modify my crash bar. I don't want to remove it. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to do that, and I'm not going for crazy horsepower. I don't think I'll ever go past 350 wheel. Because once you do that, your daily starts becoming less of a daily and more of a headache. And I don't want that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, this intercooler is amazing. It's so much more cleaner. It's like fatter, it's thicker. Alright guys, now with all that stuff unboxed, we now just have to install it. And honestly, I think I'm going to start off with the intercooler. It looks like the quickest and easiest one, most straightforward one to do. So we're going to start off with that. Montage, here we go. Alright, so we got the intercooler right here. All I did off camera was put the cold pipe on. Right here is just 4 10mm bolts. And now we just install it. Alright everyone, so see this right here? I snapped the bolt in 2. So Marc's going to go to Lowe's and grab me just another one of these. I over-tightened it like an idiot, but luckily I was able to get it out. I really lucked out there. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to. God, nothing ever goes right. decent amount of it assembled. I'm losing light quickly, so let's see how quick I can install this in the car. Do I have to like completely remove that? What's up, guys? It's a couple of days later because I had the worst time ever in my life installing the 3.5-inch take. I don't recommend it. Just get a 3-inch for the Mazda because it's a tight freaking fit. I had to go to the I just asked Corksport themselves, man, and there was a very specific way to do it. Obviously, it's no fault of anyone's. It's just obviously the way the engine bay is. But I finally got it. I got it all clamped down to the turbo inlet, and all the hoses are connected. I still couldn't manage to get it through this, so I kind of just zip tied it close enough, and it's pretty sturdy. This is stripped out, and I snapped the bolt. I felt a little tight, and I was like, huh. I gave it one more like turn, and it just snapped. I was like, cool. That's the second thing that snapped on me. That snapped on me. I'm not even like being aggressive with this thing too. I'm being really careful, and things are still snapping on me. So this car's hardware is just freaking weak, man. It's probably to no thanks to all this like rust and stuff. Just over time it just weakens. But yeah, now I just gotta put like the filter onto the intake, the MAF housing as well. And then I don't have my Corksport battery box yet. I'm waiting for that in the mail. Also, I have Go Fast Bits blow off valve that's coming in as well. So, and I also have to take that off again because I gotta replace the spark plugs. I'm basically gonna just rest the battery here, connect the ECU, connect the batteries, give it a start, and I just want to give you guys like what it sounds like once I do it. Once Marc's gonna give me new bolts. My plan is, because that's just stripped out, and I didn't like it must have stripped as I was undoing it. Might have been whoever did this last did it too tight. I'm gonna have a bolt go through it with the washer on this end, and then a nut on this end. I'm just gonna tighten it down like that. It's pretty cloudy. It's May like 10th, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna snow in Massachusetts tonight. So that's awesome and literally pointless. Yeah, so once I get started up, I can give you guys like a little, test of how it sounds. I would only keep it idling and like rev it in neutral. I would not drive this thing the way it is without a fucking proper tune. I still have to recalibrate the MAF, but I'm just gonna wait till I get a tune. I can literally just keep this car here. We're in quarantine. I have the Saab and RSX to drive if need be. Yeah, I just want to hear some turbo sounds coming out of this thing finally, dude. The amount of muffling that the stock piping does is incredible. You hear no turbo in this car. It's nuts from the factory. But hopefully in conjunction with the test pipe, more volume, this big ass intake, and apparently the stock bypass valve sounds pretty nice too. Hopefully we can do that, guys. Honestly, see you when all this stuff is connected, because it's just a filter left and that stuff. Like you can see what I have left, and that's a little shroud. Alright guys, so basically finished up here. The battery and ECU will be kind of bootlegged on, but I don't know. Also, this will be my first time running the high pressure fuel pump, intercooler. It's a lot of shit that's not tuned, and I'm kind of scared about that. So I don't know if I want to do that yet. I might finish this up tomorrow. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I don't even know if I want to do this right now. Which sucks, I want to hear how it sounds, but I don't know, I'll figure something out. See you guys soon. Alright guys. Oh, police in the background. Everything's done. I just have the ECU kind of, whatever, and same with the battery, so let's turn this on. First start up with a high pressure fuel pump, intercooler, and intake. So it's not gonna run the best, but it should run. We're gonna prime the engine a couple times. So far, nothing. I wonder if I have to put a map on it. I might have to. I have changed way too much shit. High pressure fuel pump, intercooler, intake, huge one. Alright guys, I did this off camera, but all I had to do was unplug my MAF sensor and the car ran. So it needs to be obviously recalibrated. And I'm not going to recalibrate it because there's no point for me to do it. I might as well wait for my base map to come in from FreakTune. I just purchased it. I'm doing a full mods list too. I gotta install my cob access port finally. I'm gonna mount it with this magic mount too. That's basically all I have to do today. I could recalibrate it. That's no point. I'm just gonna wait for the base map, and then once the base map comes in, we get to hear some turb skis. But everything's connected, everything's just done. The only thing I'm waiting on is my blow-off valve and the spark plugs, but I'm not worried about doing that. That should be easy. Then once I do that, I get my Corksport battery box so I can like, you know, properly mount the battery and the ECU and all that. And then I'm good to go. That's it. Car's good. Get the tune, do some data logs. It's gonna be freaking great. I cannot wait to drive this car. Spin all over the place. Torque steer up the ass with my stock tires all seasons. Or stock wheels. Yeah, so hopefully next time you see anything, this car's running with its own base map. So it could take a week or something. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Justin at Reaktion's pretty busy, so let's just hope. Peace. Alright, she's alive as you can tell. So this is my first base map from Freaktune. She started right up. I'm just gonna give it some revs. I'm not data logging yet. I need the battery box. I don't want to drive this hard. I gave him all the information of the mods that are gonna be on my car. I'm just missing two. Go fast pitch blow off valve and the one-step cooler spark plugs. Once those are installed and my battery box is installed, this car is perfect. So it's getting warmed up. I'm gonna give it some revs so you guys just hear how the intake sounds now. Turbo sounds! I'm so excited! That sounded sick! Oh, you can just hear the intake go sucking it up. And that's on the stock bypass valve too. Alright guys, thanks for watching so much. This video took about a week to film. So, on the next video, we're gonna be recording my data logging, do some pulls, see how the car performs. I don't know, I'm just really excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get to 200 subscribers. I'm at like 110. I want to grow this channel. I love this thing. I'm so hyped. Just thank you guys for watching. Peace.